This is question 7 from section 1 of the 2018 NSAA paper. So in this question, we're given n numbers and we're told this about them. We're told they have mean p, that if you take some two of these numbers that have already been picked, the mean of two of these numbers is q, and then you take all the numbers excluding these two, and the mean of all of them is 10. And given all of this, what we're asked to find is an expression for n in terms of p and q, and we're given these 6 options, and we have to deduce which one's correct. So to do this, we're going to have to get some expression for p, q or n to begin with. Now, it's unlikely we'll be able to work out n directly, but this feels approachable. So take the mean p of these n numbers and express it in terms of q and n using this lot. So let's do that. So we've got p is equal to, well, what is the mean? The mean is essentially the sum of all the numbers over the number of numbers, i.e. n. So we can find the sum of all of them with these, then we're done. So what's the sum of these two numbers? Well, if we know their mean's q, the sum of them will just be 2 times q. So 2q. And similarly for these, we've got 10 as the mean of n minus 2 numbers, and so their sum is going to be n minus 2 times 10. So we've got that, and we need to divide it by n, and that's our mean for all our n numbers, because this is our sum of numbers over the number of numbers. And we're nigh on there now, because we've got an expression involving p, q and n, and all we have to do is to rearrange this and make n the subject. So let's times through by n, let's get rid of our fraction. So we start with this, and then get all the n's to one side. So np plus 10n, so minus 10n from both sides, it comes over here, is equal to 2q minus 20. And take n, lots of p minus 10, so take n as a factor out of this side. If we dive, and you'll also note that we've taken a 2 out of this side. Why have we done this? Well, firstly, we can, because 2 is a common factor. And secondly, if we look at all the answers here, we've taken all the answers have 2 lots of something on as the numerator, so doing this helps it match one of these answers. Now just divide through by p minus 10, and we've got n is equal to this. Now, does this match with any of our answers over here? Yes, it does. It matches with A. And so our answer must be A.